Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how we can enable dark mode in Anki, so let's get straight into it. Now what you are need to do is head over to the top to the tools and then find preferences like here. Now here in the appearance search for theme, so under the user interface you will see theme, and right here you will see drop down menu with three options. So we'll have follow system or dark. So if you want dark you can do that, or follow system. In my computer is basically the same as dark. Alright, and yeah, this is basically how you can enable dark mode in Anki. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next